Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today we talk about MSI MEG VISION X AI second generation gaming desktop combining intelligent control with powerful performance. So friend, MSI officially unveiled the MEG VISION X AI second gaming laptop featuring the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 50 series graphics card and Intel Core Ultra Series 2 processor, delivering cutting-edge computing performance, and the system incorporates advanced silent storm cooling AI technology, and it is equipped with Glacier Armor cooling models. Glacier Armor cooling module ensure gamers enjoy exceptional performance during intense gaming season. And another standout feature, it is 13-inch AI HMI screen which integrated the MSI AI app and voice integration to provide an initiative, and the MEG Vision X AI second generation deliver exceptional performance for gamers, offering enhanced capability powered by advanced NVIDIA GeForce RTX 50 series graphics card and its CPU Intel Core Ultra 9 285K processor, delivering exceptional multi-core performance to effortlessly handle demanding gaming and multitasking scenarios, and it's also support 4 into DDR5 UDI slot, ensuring smooth and stable operation under heavy gaming and creative workload. On the storage front, it includes support for SSD generation 5.0 technology, significantly reducing game loading time. The cutting-edge SSD technology also boosts AI model training performance by up to 1.18x, enabling faster combination of complex projects and increased productivity. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.